Do you want to sing better instantly, male or female, beginner through advanced level in any style? I'm going to give you one simple thing that you can do to sound better right now. 35 years of teaching voice. Let's not waste any time. Okay, listen to this. Or versus or versus versus What's the difference? The first one was stuck, second one was muffled, and the third one was free. First, we'll start with the easy step to sound better immediately, and then I'll show you 2 more steps to apply it to singing, and then I will demo in pop, R&B, jazz, and opera. Now, if you can't do step 1, you're going to have a hard time singing. We're simply going to speak and sustain it like this, or ah. Now, why do I like to start out with speech? So that we can first get the ease and the speech-like clarity which we must have in singing anything. So let's do it. You're just going to speak in different parts of your voice. Should feel great. If you can do that, you can sing, which is what we're going to do right now. We're going to speak freely twice and then sing. I don't care any note. We just need freedom. I'll try it at C4. Or lower voices can be at C3. Here we go. Now, you need to speak around where you're going to sing. So don't go, no. One more time. How about here? F4 or F3? How about here? C5 or C4? Your turn. Simple. Now, what we've just done is simple but huge. You have just let your voice out freely, and we're on what I call the siren of the voice. So not and not no, the siren of the voice. That's your default for singing. When you do it right, it feels refreshing. It feels like a massage, like your voice is just floating on the air. And when we have this speech-like clarity, then we are getting efficient vocal fold closure as opposed to what we did earlier. That's the squeeze, or that's muffled. And by starting out with speech, you see, you did not hold your breath, nor did you overblow. For some of you, this could be the very first time that you've experienced your free voice with good vocal fold closure. Bonus tip, I cannot tell you how many times I have helped singers find their high notes with this very exercise. And I'm talking about advanced level singers in pop and opera singers. What about this? Or lower voices. Now, I hope you're having fun with this beautiful and free vowel. Instant improvement. Now, we need to apply it to the other vowels, and that's what step 3 is. We're going to start with and we're going to go to the 5 vowels. E, O, U, like this. Don't change a thing you're pronouncing up here. Leave your throat alone. Once you have your free you make the vowel changes primarily with your lips and tongue. I'm at C4, or you could do it at C3. Here we go. Let's try it here. F4, F3, or F5. Sing. Now that is a great exercise because you get the freedom first in your vowel, and then you can apply it to your other vowels. And we all have some vowels that are more challenging than others. I want you to do the 3 steps in different parts of your range, and it will help you sing better instantly. And before I demo in different styles, I want you to remember that as a serious singer, Vocal exercises are what are going to build and train your voice, not your songs. And if you still haven't gotten my audio exercise training program, Victoria's vocal exercise program, I don't know what you're waiting for. The program is huge. I give you a short workout and a long workout and literally hundreds of options for whatever your vocal needs may be. We have exercises to help you open up your voice. We have 2 sections on vowels. We work on breathing and breath support, resonance, different styles. We troubleshoot different kinds of throat tension. And the best part is it's super affordable. And I do regular group classes with members and I can help you. So see the link below and sign up right away. Now, I'm going to show you what to do if you're having trouble in a song using the steps we just did. What about some Adele? My God, this reminds me of when we were young. But what if I had trouble with that song? What if I couldn't sing that young? What would I do? I can go, young. That's what we just did. Or what about some Bill Withers? Just the two of us. We can make it if we try, just the two of us. What if I had trouble on that note? Try, okay, try, try. You see? What about some opera? Summertime and the living is easy. Well, what if I have trouble with this note? Especially starting with the S consonant. So I could go, summer. You see how you can do this? Or what about the classic jazz song, Autumn Leaves? The autumn leaves. But what if I had trouble with that note, leaves? Plus it's the E vowel, which is tricky for a lot of singers. So I can go, leaves. Leaves. Easy. So do you see how just speaking clearly, and then applying it to singing can make you sound better immediately? Now, if you're a beginner, I want you to follow the videos in my beginner playlist, your step-by-step guide. And if you need help with vowels, see my playlist on vowels in singing. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.